Hi there. In our last section, you learned how to define the binomial theorem and different cases of the binomial theorem. In this section, you are going to learn how to define the general term of the binomial expansion and how to find the middle term of the binomial expansion. So let's begin. General term of binomial: for any positive integer n, the binomial theorem is given as x plus y to the power n is equal to nc0 x to the power n plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 times y square plus nc3 x to the power n minus 3 y cube plus dash 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 plus ncr x to the power n minus r y to the power r plus dash dash dash. Our last term is nc n y to the power n. So as we can see, if we want to find the rth term of the binomial expansion, we will consider this term. So we can write rth term of the binomial expansion as tr is equal to ncr x to the power n minus r y to the power r. And how did we get this term? We got that term from here. Now let's see how we can find the middle term of the binomial expansion. So our first case is if n is even, then the number of terms in the expansion is n plus 1. So if n is even, then n plus 1 will be odd because n is even. Then the middle term is equal to n plus 1 over 2, which is basically n plus 2 over 2. So what we will do, we will find the middle term using these many expansions. Or in other words, we can say that the middle term of the binomial expansion will be n plus 2 over 2. Case 2. If n is odd, then n plus 1 will be even. So there will be two middle terms. So first middle term will be n plus 1 over 2 term, and our second middle term will be n plus 1 over 2 plus 1th term. So basically, if n is odd, then we have two middle terms, and these two middle terms are next to each other.